Hi, and welcome to freenetworkstudy.com. In this lab, we will configure a simple site-to-site IPsec VPN. As shown in the diagram, we have two sites: the headquarter site with router 4 and ASA 1, and the R&D site with ASA 2 and router 2. The goal of this lab is to configure LAN-to-LAN IPsec VPN between ASA 1 and ASA 2. Let's get started. On ASA 1, the first step is to configure the access list matching the traffic to be protected. Access list, we call it L2L for LAN to LAN, extended, permit, IP, and the local LAN is 1.1.1.0/24. The remote LAN is 2.2.2.0/24. Now let's define the transform set, crypto IPsec IK version 1 transform set, and we can call it ESP-AES256-SHA. Now defining the protocols. So the first is ESP-AES256 and ESP-SHA HMAC. Then let's define the IK policy. Crypto IK version 1 policy 10. Authentication is pre-shared. Encryption is AES256. The hash protocol is SHA. And the Diffie element group is 5. Group 5. Now let's define the crypto map binding everything together. Crypto map, call it CMAP for crypto map, or capital CMAP. The sequence number 10, matching the access list L2L. Then we have to tell the ASA which peer to create the VPN with. Crypto map CMAP 10 set peer and the IP address of the remote peer 10.0.112.2. And finally tell the ASA which transform set it should use for this IPsec tunnel. Crypto map CMAP 10 set IK version 1 transform set, and the name of the transform set ESP-AES256 SHA. Now we have to activate the crypto map and IK version 1 on the outside interface. Crypto map CMAP interface outside, and crypto IK version 1, type too fast here, enable outside. The very last step is to define the tunnel group. Tunnel group, the IP address of the remote peer 10.0.112.2. The type of tunnel. So the first type here is exactly what we're looking for, a site-to-site tunnel. So IPsec L2L. Then tunnel group 10.0.112.2 IPsec attributes. And these attributes are the tunnel pre-shared key that we haven't defined so far. IK version 1, pre-shared key, and that's Cisco. Okay, so we're done on that ASA. Let's jump to ASA 2 and do the same thing. Let's create the access list to be used. Access list L2L extended permit IP, and the local LAN this time is 2.2.2.0/24. The remote is 1.1.1.0/24. We'll use the same transform set on that end. Crypto IPsec IK version 1 transform set IK v1 transform set ESP-AES256 and SHA ESP-AES256 ESP-SHA HMAC. Then the IK v1 policy, crypto IK v1 policy 10, authentication pre-shared, encryption AES256, the hash is SHA, and Diffie element group 5. Now let's define the crypto map. Crypto map CMAP 10 matching the access list L to L, crypto map CMAP 10, and the remote peer is 10.0.13.3, crypto map CMAP 10 set IC v1 transform set ESP AES256 SHA. Activate the crypto map and IC version 1 on the outside interface. Crypto map CMAP interface outside, and crypto IC v1 enable outside. Now the tunnel group. The IP address of the remote gateway is 10.0.13.3. The type is IPSEC L2L. 10.0.13.3, and the IPSEC attributes, basically the pre-shared key, IC v1, pre-shared, and that's Cisco. Let's try to bring that tunnel up by generating some traffic. We could source a ping from router 4 to router 2. On router 4, ping 2.2.2.2, that's working, and on router 2, ping 1.1.1.4, and that's working. So we have end-to-end connectivity between the remote sites, and that's how you set up an IPsec VPN between two sites. Thank you for watching.